In this activity, you will be provided with just one anodized aluminum dog tag, and we will use the laser engraver to engrave your design on the dog tag. So to begin with, you could check out the PDF where you could see the dimension of the dog tag. So the dog tag that we're using will be 1.96 inches in length. And there is another image or another attachment. It's a PNG image that I want you to download. Okay, so download this one. And once you've downloaded it, go to Onshape and create a new document, and then name your document dog tag. All right, start a new sketch on the top plane, and then press the letter N. Okay, so while you're in the sketch mode, click on the plus sign here where it says insert new tab, but we're not inserting a new tab. Instead, we're importing a dog tag. So import dog tag. So I've downloaded it to my desktop, and you might have downloaded it somewhere else. So open it up, and then you'll see that it's already uploaded on mine. Okay, next thing, click on insert image, and then insert image, and import dog tag.png should be there. So import it, and then it'll ask you to draw a rectangle. So draw an image rectangle just like that, and then dimension the length to 1.96. So 1.96, enter. Now that you have that, press escape on your keyboard to change it back. Change your tool to the cursor, and then move your mouse along this line. So as you can see, when I move my mouse there, you'll notice that, okay, let's do that again. It's not showing right there. So you'll notice that there's a horizontal constraint. So we want to remove that so we can rotate the image. So right click and then delete the sketch entity like so. Now that you've done that, you could click on one corner of this, and then you can rotate it like so. Okay, so we want this to be completely 90 degrees or 180 degrees to this line. So first, create a line that goes through the center or the origin, and then just create that long line. Make sure that it's horizontal, and then click on that line and select construction to change it into a construction line. Okay, press escape and dimension again. Dimension from this line to this line. Let's see if I could select it. Okay, and then make sure that it changes into an angle, just like this. And the angle should be 180 degrees. Okay, so there you go. Now that we have that, I'm gonna make that small. The next thing you have to do is just do your design. Okay, you could use different sorts of things here, like the spline if you want to draw a character, or you could use just the text if you just want text. So let's say I could drag that and then say, so I'm gonna put my name in all caps. Check. And then I could do another line of text. You could do several lines of text here. It's really up to you. And then you'll see that my name has 6 characters, but my last name has 8 characters. which means the sizes will be different for the font, but it's okay. Let's say let's see if I could pull out a 1.5 here. Yep. So 1.5, make sure that you have enough clearance along the edges, along the circle. And then let's say for this, I want to do another 1.5 as well. But you'll see that there's a difference in the sizes of the font. Okay, so you could maximize this with 2 or 3 lines of text. So like that. Okay, click check. And that's what's going to be engraved on the dog tag. See, now the last thing is, you don't need to extrude this since we are laser cutting. All you have to do is right click on the sketch that you made. Okay, you need to have just one sketch, by the way, just one sketch. So if you're going to draw something here, if you're going to add some designs, let's just say edit. If there's a way for you to put emojis here, you may do so, or draw the emoji, you could do so, as long as there's just one sketch. Okay, now that you have that one sketch, all you have to do is right click on the sketch and then export as DXF. So this part is important. So now type your name again, and then dog tag. Format is DXF, and then just click export. Okay, so I have Alvarico dog tag.dxf, and for you it will be your name and then dog tag.dxf, and that's something that you will have to upload to Google Classroom. Okay, so again, it might be as simple as a text like this, or it could be something where you could draw a design. Yeah, here are some things that you could do for your dog tag. As you can see, you could put your name there, like a phone number, and then an image. Okay, you could even do a logo, but we're not gonna do this. Technically, you could do pictures also, but for the dog tag, it could be a dog tag for your pet dog or your pet cat. So you could name it after that person. Or if you want to gift this dog tag, you may do so also. But try to put in a design, not just plain text. Okay. So that's it.